Gonna go through all the photos and videos from this weekend. What's for dinner?
My father worked on the docks.
885 photos and 182 videos. It's 8:45, but I'm still hungry. So we're gonna go to a pho place that closes in 45 minutes. Hi. You can't come. No, 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 no. This is becoming very stressful. Stop. Okay, navigate me.
Out. Money and shit.
Ooh, ooh. I'm a dangerous man, but some money in my pocket.
What's it called?
Randong.
Randing?
Randong.
Random?
Random.
Randong. Like dong?
Yeah.
Left. Go straight. Right lane. Okay, so here.
Burger.
Oh yeah, I think it's someone else.
I have number 12.
Number 12. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank
You know you did.
This is just what I wanted. That was absolutely delectable. Cool. I got these leggings that are usually like...
Got you leggings. You got leggings too?
No, but they're usually like $100-something. And I got them for $19.99 because they just started and they're giving away like a bajillion.
Are you good now?
Ooh, they feel so nice. It feels like suede almost. Hi.
Even though it's kind of late, I am going on a run because I saw my Chad on the vlog, or my Chads, and I have to do something about it. So, Katrina, Steven, I guess I'm going to be doing this marathon with you because I need it. So here's to getting my sexy back and just working towards one Chad.
Had a long day today. I got a call at 4:30 a.m. that my opener wasn't going to be able to make it into work today. So I got up at 5, had to be at work super early, and I came home 2 hours early because I'm just so tired. Fell asleep late last night at 1 o'clock. I don't know, lately this whole weekend we've slept past midnight, which is not usual. We usually like to sleep at 10 or 11 o'clock. So I'm so tired. Hi. Steven! He's not home. Where is he? Where did he go? I wish someone could massage my head like this all day. It's noon and I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten for like 5 hours. I went to Starbucks again. Darn it. I had that egg white turkey bacon sandwich thing, and I tried the holiday spice, no, spiced cream, holiday spice, sweet cream, cold brew, something. And I added a shot and instant regrets. Like, I didn't even drink half of it before starting to feel really, really jittery, and I got a caffeine headache. I really need to wean off that caffeine, yo. I'm craving Indomie, which is this like Indonesian instant ramen. And Steven ordered like a bulk package for me, but it hasn't come in yet. But I was eating that once a day. Got a text message. Who is that? I'm home, silly. You went to the gym, eh? Let's see if we can see him. I think I need to take a nap because I'm going to go crazy. Oh, there he is. There he is in the blue shirt. Creeper! I see you! Mikey, it's a wildebeest. These rare animals only come out in the nighttime. They're quite nocturnal. Had to be very, very quiet not to alarm it. It's going in for prey. Its favorite cardboard box. Oh, spotted! Luna, you're so creepy. This is just something that Steven's grandma bought him. It's a solar-powered panda on a toilet. Toire wa. That's what I learned to say in Japan, which means where's the toilet, I think. Oh! Oh! How long have you been there? Do not bite your mother. I have to let go. This is a knit sweater. This is a knit sweater. You better not pull it. You better not. You better not. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I was creeping on you. I saw you. I saw you from the window and I recorded you.
Why? Creeper. It's nice.
You're my favorite.
Rice.
I'm talking to the salmon.
Rice.
Ooh, we have avocado too. How did you know? Hi. Uh-oh. She smells the salmon. I have it right there. Stop, Luna. She wants the fish. Mmm, brown rice, avocado, and sake sashimi. Look what FedEx dropped off.
Santa.
Woo! Yes. That's exactly what I was talking about this morning. Yeah. Thank you. Crikey. It's a Steven. These red animals are quite dangerous. All they eat is white cheddar popcorn. So you can look at this, Steven. Chomp on that popcorn. Ew! My computer just froze. All the work I just did. But I won't cry. I will not cry. Why are you laughing at me?
Right.
I won't. I won't.
Ooh.
I'm tough.
No,
Why did it do that? Now I need noodles.
Make it ring.
Don't! Oh my. Oh, oh! Ow! Wow, that was my dream come true.
Means good luck.
That was one egg.
One egg.
Woohoo! Whoa, both of those fit in one egg? It's been a while. Thank you.
Oops.
I fail. I'm not going to yoga. But we're getting takeout. And watching the Warriors game.
Yeah.
We're using Uber Eats. Do we have credit?
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna get Thai food. Do they have noodles or is it just soup? The tom kha. Or tom yum. We're gonna get some tom yum. Yum. Uber Eats arrived. This is chicken larb and tofu tom yum, right? Yeah. Crystal just stopped by and brought us some denogonizer. Thanks, guys. We're watching this new show. What's it called?
What's that new show?
Oh, well, we're new to watching this show, old show. Mozart in the Jungle. And we're doing some work. Let's see. You're not doing work! This is supposed to be work now. You're not doing any work.
I'm doing work.
Oh my goodness. Wow, I'm over there working. You're over here twerking.
Pour me some beer when we get to work.
We're gonna use this glass because the Dubs won.
This is an emergency.
Stephen!
The New York Times apology.
Taste it first. Make sure it's not spoiled.
There's been an accident.
Spoiled beer's the worst.
Oh yeah.
You'll
That's
be
the
back
worst.
in no time.
Cheers.
Oh.
I did. Are you aware that this raspberry jello is not even an herb?
Good morning, Mona. You're cutie. Good morning, baby. I'm so tired. It smells good. Oh, thank you. Gonna make a smoothie for work. Frozen kale, frozen banana, frozen berries, peanut butter, soy milk. Nice and thick. That's what she said. Going to work. Got my gloves. So I'm really naughty. But I was really hungry and I went to Arzmendi and the line was out the door. So I got the fried chicken bowl from Quickly again. No regrets. I really need to stop eating this, but it's just so good and it's all I want right now while it's raining outside. I wanted to get soup and salad and be good, but really good. This will do. That's rice, and then they put teriyaki sauce on top of the rice, and then it's fried chicken, the popcorn fried chicken, and then it has, I think it's furikake or some kind of seasonings. Oh, it's $5, but
45 days
this will be the last time I have it. I promise. I promise. Oh. So I take that back. Instant regrets. My stomach hurts, and I just feel so ugh now after eating all of that. So I'm gonna drink this whole bottle of water. Hopefully that makes me feel better. I do want to eventually have a 100% plant-based diet, especially by my birthday, which is in February. That would be really cool. It's just Filipino food is so good. A few of the main reasons why I want to go on a plant-based diet is for health reasons, environmental reasons, the animals, to not just eat crappy food just because it's what I'm craving. For example, like at the potluck, we had a rack of ribs and they were delicious, but it's the rib cage of an animal, and I can't keep putting that out of my head, and it's really, you know, disgusting to think about it that way, but that's what it is. I think I'm ready to just be fully 100% true food, real food, plant food based. My only concern is that I'm running a full marathon in March, and diet especially is going to be really important. So I've been spending a lot of time researching plant-based diets for runners, especially long distance runners, and just being able to have enough energy and enough protein. I mean, it's definitely doable. It's definitely absolutely doable. I just need to educate myself, and I think that's a challenge that I'm willing to take on, and I know I can overcome it. Just a lifestyle choice that I've been meaning to make, wanting to make, and I'm going to make, and I'm really excited and I'm happy about it. I'm finally headed home. I just took Gabby's mat box class, and my body is jello. Those gloves are so heavy. My arms are so sore. I could already like feel it. Luna always waits for me at the door. Let's see. Hi! We love you. So Green Chef came in. Happy holidays. This is cute. This is a lot. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, these are like full page things. Bean and hominy stew.
Do you want to make?
Sweet potatoes again. Tangine.
So we get the vegetarian options.
Chickpea kofta.
Let's make this tonight.
Okay, that sounds good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Perfectly chilled.
That's pretty good.
Good job, babe.
It's like drier falafel.
Hi. Home for lunch. And of course, this is the only thing I want. Oh, 190 calories. And it's vegan. Having a snack before I go back to work. Avocado, salt and pepper, and pita chips. Hi. Hello. Luna, what are you doing? Alright, so you're gonna do this later? While I go to yoga.
Go to yoga.
I haven't been in like 2 weeks. Oops. I just got done with yoga. I felt really good. I had a new instructor. And I liked her a lot. And Boo Boo has dinner ready for me.
Dinner ready.
So special.
Salt and pepper.
Hominy, 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 hominy. Bean and hominy stew. What's hominy?
I don't know. They're like mushy corn nuts. That's what hominy is.
Mushy corn nuts. Smells good. I'm ready to eat. Mmm, delish. Oh yeah, that's money. That's the money. Yes. Mmm. Ooh. It's good, my love. Thank you. Ow!
Arco, top tier gas for less.
Oh my gosh. We can't play right now. I'm eating. Ow! Ow! Finishing off the night with almond milk ice cream.